Introducing August Smart Lock Pro, our most advanced smart lock yet. With August, your phone is now your key, letting you securely unlock and lock your door using the August app. You can even set August to auto unlock, so August knows when you arrive using Bluetooth. You can set it to auto lock, so when you leave, August locks the door behind you, kind of like your own personal doorman. On your August app, you can create secure, temporary keys for family, friends, even service people. Grant access for a few weeks or a few hours. You decide. You never have to worry about copies of keys getting into the wrong hands again. August Smart Lock Pro comes with Connect Wi-Fi Bridge, giving you remote access to your front door. Like when your mom shows up 3 hours early. Simply use your August app to securely let people in from anywhere. Even if you're miles from home, you can remotely check and lock your door from your August app. And with our DoorSense technology, you can always make sure your door is not only locked, but closed. You can even ask Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant to securely lock and unlock your front door. August is also Apple HomeKit ready. And August is a certified Z-Wave Plus technology provider. August attaches to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door. Installation takes minutes, and you can keep your existing lock and keys. Available on Android and iOS. August, the key to your smart home.
Jenna and Dale are young parents, and they believe that they and their babies are on the same page. They are not. And sometimes this happens.
Oh, look at you, all not washed and cold.
All right, we got this. We're just taking a break.
Oh
no.
Introducing the new Earmo Smart Thermometer, a doctor and a thermometer in one device. The Earmo Smart Thermometer can detect...
Got it.
Oh, it just did.
No, it can't be right.
Yep, it literally takes 1 second. And you can clearly see the temperature through Earmo's sleek LED display.
I got it.
By swiping your finger, you can see the previous temperatures.
That can't be right.
The data is instantly transferred onto your phone, where you can compare her current temperature with her past records. And if you're unsure about her symptoms, you can consult the app.
Babe, I think she has I can't pronounce it, but it seems serious.
And if you want an easy confirmation, simply send the data from the app to her family physician. With a quick confirmation from her doctor, Jenna is feeling pretty good about herself and about Earmo. And with Earmo, you can check your child's temperature anytime, anywhere.
Okay. Yeah, it's happening again.
The Earmo Smart Thermometer won't turn you into an amazing parent overnight, but it might make your life just a little bit easier.
Daddy, I think you're sick.
Water, the essential element of life. It flows in all of us, through our veins and out our pores. We depend on it. No matter your age or lifestyle, everyone needs to drink water. But with busy schedules, work-filled days, staying hydrated is easy to forget. With H2O Pal, hydration is one less thing you need to worry about. H2O Pal has an energy-efficient weight sensor that tracks your water intake throughout the day. It syncs straight to your smartphone or watch, sending you notifications to drink more water. H2O Pal helps you establish a habit of drinking more water at the right time, which can lead to improved focus and productivity, motivate you to stay on track with your daily goal, and give you the satisfaction of seeing your progress over time. You have enough things to worry about. With H2O Pal, staying hydrated won't be one of them. Start a healthier life by getting yours at h2opal.com.
Looking for superpowers? Introducing Aura, the ultimate drone with gesture robotics mind-blowing technology. Simply put the glove on and feel the power of having Aura right in your hand. No more joysticks and multi-axis controls. With Aura, you can fly your drone following your hand's command. Make 360 flips and show your skills flying like a pro right out of the box. Take off and land it with a simple button click. Controlling a drone has never been so easy. Even for Dad. New Aura, you have the power. From KD Interactive.